Right, let's see if I can do this again. Batteries in. Rear bulb had blown, so I fixed that. Having trouble with the headlight still. Got the headlight and the front nickel light down there working, but now the headlight doesn't. But turn it on, press the button, front lights on, back lights on. No front, got a sort of earth. All runs as it should, except for the front light. Got to sort her out. I'm thinking it's an earth issue. So if I take the headlight out, put it on the front mudguard, it'll come. The side light will come on, or parking light, but the headlight won't now. And I've put a brand new bulb in, and the other bulb's still okay. Yeah. Oh, and I've got my rubber for my kickstart come. And that's it. Hope you enjoy this video.